Good morning, everyone. My name is Amy Smith. I'm a community health worker. I work in this community, and we're trying to create this program, Great Futures Start Here. Changes in the economy and family structure have caused the need for parents to work much longer. Um, whether they are single parents struggling working more than one job, or they're two parents that are forced to work two different jobs to pay the bills. Youth here in Salisbury really need a safe place to go when the school day is over, a place with responsible staff that can engage the youth and provide opportunities to enrich their lives. When that school bell rings at the end of the day, many children are left unsupervised, and they end up at an empty home or outside, hanging out with their friends. And when they're left to their own devices, curiosity and peer pressure can lead to experimenting. Things like smoking cigarettes, doing drugs, drinking alcohol, or even other problem behaviors. And I read in a article by Smith and Bradshaw that being busy help children to stay out of trouble. Great Future Starts Here wants to be more than just an after-school program for children to socialize and be with friends, or just be a childcare option. We want to be a program to enrich the lives of the youth in grades 5 through 12 of this town, Salisbury, Massachusetts. We want to make sure that parents and students have a safe environment with qualified staff to offer a unique opportunity for children to learn how to develop their social skills while learning to engage with this community. Our future leaders will learn about living skills, public speaking, volunteer opportunities, community opportunities to channel their desire to have a positive impact on the world around them. Our mission is to mentor and lead our community's youth to learn and develop skills that will empower them in the future. Our vision is that we envision a future where the youth from our community have developed powerful skills for a successful future. Our guiding values is a 5 C's. Connection, a feeling of safety, structure, and belonging. Positive bonds with people and social institutions. Confidence, a sense of self-worth and mastery. Having a belief in one's capacity to succeed. Character, taking responsibility. A sense of independence, individuality, connection to principles and values. Competence, the ability to act effectively at school, in social situations, and at work in the future. Contribution, active participation in leadership in a variety of settings, making a difference. Our objectives for this program is that by March 2021, our community will understand Great Futures Start Here mission through word of mouth, social media, and community discussions. And by the end of 2022, 20% of our community's youth will attend Great Futures Start Here. We hope with this program to build confidence using tasks, teach youth effective communication, help them with coping skills, teach them team building activities, and help youth learn their strengths. Evaluation, we plan to use a participatory evaluation. This type of evaluation will include everybody. The community partners, the staff, the participant, the families will all be involved with evaluation. It'll measure the effects of the program against the goals it has set out to accomplish. It will also include a pre and post assessment via survey, as well as some community discussions throughout to demonstrate evidence of effectiveness and can help with financial aid in the future. From a social worker's perspective, having knowledge on the importance of community engagement is important. Some social workers work directly with individuals and help assess their personal problems and goals, while others access the community on a larger scale. As social workers, we need to empower individuals and community members to take on a larger role in the development and continued improvement in their community. There is always room to learn as a social worker and develop our skills. Thank you for your time. I appreciate this. Have a great day.